Majita namahulumani Kaizer Chiefs isayine players ezintsha, but they can't announce because the players sene contracts ne clubs zazo until 30 June. The announcements can only start from July 1st. The first two signings ziyaziwa unless ba okuphansi kwebhedi. Number 1 uPaseka Mako, left back. Number 2 Thabiso Monyane, right back. Ngoba nabo if awubazi Thabiso Monyane usuka Orlando Pirates, Paseka Mako na usuka Orlando Pirates. Skiphani azo bad players khanga bafeli Orlando Pirates, but amachita bengekho happy ngecontracts Orlando Pirates be-offerisha zona ezintsha. Kaizer Chiefs offered better contracts for amachita. Why Kaizer Chiefs sign fullbacks, defenders? Because Nazareth Nabi is building his team from the back. Yakhumula last season Kaizer Chiefs sign central defenders ne goalkeeper. Ya sign goalkeeper Fiacre Ntwari, ya sign central defenders Iniacho Miguel plus no Rushwin Dottley. Then the fullbacks Thabiso Monyane plus no Paseka Mako. Why bona Kaizer Chiefs use opportunity? Why opportunity? The players is basically a big club. They say big club pressure, the media pressure. Ke Orlando Pirates, they tried and tested ke Betway Premiership amachita. As young players, awasuki MTC okanye lower division okanye NFD okanye eRwanda okanye eZimbabwe. No amachita tried and tested ke Betway Premiership. Bazongena perform immediately benze impact clubini same time. And I should mention Umako ibafana internationally out ibedlala ibafana before a long-term injury yakhe umchita. And la machita ebedlala CAF Champions League Orlando Pirates. Kaizer Chiefs enita experience njalo. Kaizer Chiefs odlala CAF Confederation Cup. Kaizer Chiefs ayikwazi announce ngoku ezi reports ezisuka SABC Sport plus no Diski Times, reliable sources ezo. Number 3 Faisal Salum, Azam FC, Tanzania specialist. Na 27 central midfielder, all action central midfielder umchita. Ayingo 6, ayingo 8, ayingo 10 uzenza zonke. That's why lasingalibali support channel bafethu nje nishaye like apha ezantsi okanye shaye subscribe. YouTube akafuna abantu ababukela nje nebekhona into oyenzayo bhuti. I80% abantu bayancanywa le channel bayibukela every week, but kuse umuntu acofa subscribe okanye kuse like. Bekhona oyenzayo bhuti ungabukeli nje, cofa nje into zabelungu man. Special player, that's why Unabe is so much umchita. He can defend, he can run, he can create chances, he can score goals. Specialist, so special player. He hasn't been reported by SABC, Diski Times, our reliable sources. But yena case umchita excitement there, but Kaizer Chiefs can't announce him now. But yena behavior yakhe plus sine hints ne suggestions azinikayo online Instagram yajambisa ba kusejongo ya Kaizer Chiefs. Next one, Mihlali Mayambela, iwinga. Bintethela ngayo kwizi videos pheleyo machita. Bayise Kaizer Chiefs izafuna i-players e-South African ezi-Orkant. Mihlali Mayambela, iwinga. Na 28 ngokumchita. Brother yakhe, excitement, iyajambisa. Mark Mayambela, former player Orlando Pirates. Umchita uye ku-Twitter, wafika kusewa poster. Mihlali Mayambela, nxabe i-tracksuit Kaizer Chiefs, esadlala Kaizer Chiefs Juniors. And la tweet, umchita ubeke ku-tweet, ibe i-report. Bayise Kaizer Chiefs ingani jonge uMihlali Mayambela. So excitement yami yenza makajambisa uMayambela. Next one is not such a strong report, but so reliable sources. Central defender in SuperSport United, Ime Ocon, and 21 umchita central defender. Top experience umchita around 50 games already, and it's umchita 21. Angungu udlala bafana iCOSAFA Cup, ndaba experience naleyo. Umchita une physical strength, ne technical ability, and it's fast more than anything. Ime Ocon is a very quick defender umchita. Each big club all over the world, funeka ubena 5 central defenders, and it's Kaizer Chiefs idinga low way. And then another one, left back, na 23, SuperSport United, Aphiwe Baliti. Why this signing? Each team, big team, funeka ubena 3 players position A1. Kaizer Chiefs ngoku Paseka Mako plus no Aphiwe Baliti abazokhompyutha, and then bekhona light intswimbu edlala reserve league ethiwa nguKabele Nkwesa, ethiwa nguFestival. Nayo umthuzo ba understudy yala machita. Ibalekile team ifana Kaizer Chiefs ibena 3 players position A1. Left back Z3 nazo Paseka Mako, uBaliti plus noNgwesa ona 19 odlala reserve league. Right back ngoku uRiff Losner noDylan Solomons plus noThabiso Monyane. Otherwise sekhona players linked neKaizer Chiefs bafethu. Jambileyo obvious Kaizer Chiefs ayikagqibi usana players and ayikagqibi no release futhi. So far release 3 players, release uSabelo Khadebe, release uNjabulo Blom, release uRanga Chivaviro. I-reports zithi kusaya machita sizophinda avaya Kaizer Chiefs uzitha kwinika usizovaya Ednelson Dave naye ngavaya umjita nga-sacrifice because of i-foreign sport. Kaizer Chiefs izama ukuthola players ngapha ya-Orkant, so therefore funeka khona i-foreign sports is available. George Matlona isemthithi ujonge ngumnyango Tebogo Potsane jonge ngomnyango uEdson Castillo angasacrificewa yena umjita we-bad player, but kuse again indaba ye-foreign sport yaxhoma i-Kaizer Chiefs awuthola abani ngapha ya Orkant. Then sekhona i-players obviously Kaizer Chiefs kusejonge esezama usayina abantu abafana no-Arsenal Velebhathi Kaizer Chiefs kusesabajongile, abantu abafana noSipho Mbuli kuthiwa Kaizer Chiefs ingade kuseyamfuna umjita, plus ne-center forward striker ezininzi ke ngoku. Kaizer Chiefs jambileyo ayikagqibe kusizospanwa kule transfer window. Kasindijongele ngoku umsebenzi use-50% done, sekhona umsebenzi afuneka enziwe emininzi. Kaizer Chiefs isadinga usayine i-goalkeeper, sadinga isayine enye central midfielder, sadinga usayina i-wingers 2 or 3 more, sadinga usayina i-striker ezi-2. Unapi ngoku uzafocus kwi-central midfield, kwi-wingers nakwi-striker. Ithini current situation? Current situation masiqale ngo-number 6. Number 6 position ufikile uThabo Cele, pasile umjita as a success. Is the type of number 6 Unapa ayifunayo, not a midfield destroyer, not a ball winner, a ball controller. Unapi istyle sakhe unumber 6 or i-ball player. I-game model kaNapi ithi ba kuse unumber 6 funeka ube nguye ocreator i-play, ukholeka ibhola from i-central defenders okanye i-fullbacks. And the reason why ifuna le type for number 6 kwi-game style yakhe is that ufuna udominator ibhola. Team ifuna udominator i-position yebhola, ayidingi i-midfielder eyi-destroyer, eyi-ball winner. Thabo Cele ufita grand njalo, but uThabo Cele won't always be available okanye won't always be on form. I-top teams zibana 3 players in each position, so Kaizer Chiefs idinga 2 more number 6s azokhompyutha okanye zibe yi-cover for uThabo Cele. Number 2 nguSibongiseni Mthetho. uSibongiseni Mthetho ukhona, but uzoba i-tactical player yena umjita. Why nisithi uzoba i-tactical player is that i-playing style yakhe ayisuthi i-game model kaNapi. Umthetho is not a bad player, but i-game model ayisuthi. If ujonge Umthetho i-style sakhe plus noCele zi-different players kakhulu ezo. Zizaba khona ii-matches by-Kaizer Chiefs ifuna i-destroy okanye i-ball winner, which is Umthetho. Umzekelo udlala ne-Sundowns okanye udlala ne-Orlando Pirates, tactically uzofuna umuntu ofana nomthetho pha uzodestroya ibhola abe yi-ball winner, okanye for umanager i-game situation okanye i-game management abanye amaxa uyibiza. Kaizer Chiefs yalida 2-0 nesikhathi ngo-65 or 70 minutes. Kaizer Chiefs ifuna umanager i-game, uyaphuma uCele ufaka umthetho uzofika phana ayenze i-midfield ibe solid ke ngoku, and then siyaprotect i-lead because i-team etyiwayo izawuattacka mosman, izawuba no-more attacking players. Ubona ezinye i-team xa zileqa i-result okanye zifake i-midfielders eziyi-3 ebaleni then i-striker eziyi-3, umthetho ungena kweza situations zinjeyana. But uNapi uzamfuna unye number 6 osa-star ska Thabo Cele, but uNapi needs to sign omnye u-6 odlala njengocele una-style kaCele. uCele ngaba injured okanye be-suspended umjita. And then maseke number 8 position, central midfield. Options ezikhoyo ngoku uYusuf Maart plus uyeza uFaisal Salum. I-future ka-Edson Castillo iyalaqazisa, i-future kaSamkelo Zwane iyalaqazisa, ingathi kuthiwa uzawulonwa umtshwana. Castillo yena ingathi kuthiwa uzosacrifice for la foreign sports. Khona i-foreign players eziki-top level eziyanga Kaizer Chiefs ejonge zona. Kaizer Chiefs if ilahlanganisa signings kafuneka i-sacrifice uCastillo for uba kuse bekho available i-foreign sport. Ki-Betway Premiership i-rules zithi i-club funeka ibe na-5 foreigners etimini. Edson Castillo une-problems ze-fitness umjita. Is a quality player, but they say age and fitness is not on his side. Umjita is one of the top earners in terms of the salary Kaizer Chiefs, but last season udlale 7 games qha, loo nto iyayicosta i-team. Rather bakuse kuze enye foreign player izaba more contribution ne-fitness better, ibe younger, and iseyomjita angaba ne-salary lower than Edson Castillo. Enye option ibikhona pha uGeorge Matlo, but George Matlo kuthiwa uyavaya umjita. Kaizer Chiefs ayizumnika i-contract entsha, eyaphela i-contract yakhe. And then bekhona uNkosi Ngiphile Ngcobo, ucoach Nazareth Napi umjita umsusile from the number 10 position umdlalisa as the number 8 last season. And iseyongcobo phakula number 8 umjita uyiwadidiza grand bengakwazi uperforma for i-match yonke because of the fitness ne-work rate yakhe umjita. So uzohlala for next season abe yi-cover phakula number 8 position, abe yi-cover for abantu bafana no-Salum no-Matt. I-top team should have 5 central midfielders, and Kaizer Chiefs expect uba mayisayine 2 more in addition to Faisal Salum. And then seki-wing play, ki-wingers, Kaizer Chiefs i-wingers inazo uGodli Lelepo, which is isewupasile umjita success, usayine last season ngoJanuwari. Pule Modi nje yaditiza umjita. Tebogo Potsane but uyahamba umjita khange lenze ixesha, then bengumfundo Vilakazi. Kaizer Chiefs jambileyo ezidinga i-wingers. So far kuthiwa isayine uMihlali Mayambela, but akuphelelanga apho. Isajonge Ozuna Police, isajonge u-Arsenal Velebhathi, which is iwe ifunekayo le. Kaizer Chiefs nika isayine 3 more wingers bafethu. Then situation ye-strike Kaizer Chiefs ifuna i-striker Ntswempu. I-report ephuma ezolo ngathi yathembisa indaba kaFiston Mayele bafethu. Zeni sijonge ese story ngizakwenza i-video apha kule veki singena kuyo ba senguFiston Mayele khona i-update ekhoyo bafethu. Kaizer Chiefs last season ibe number 3 in terms of i-teams ezicreate i-chances zoscora. behind iPirates neSundowns. Indaba yestriker iserious bafethu. Ke manje ngoku Orangache Viro umkile. Istriker esishekileyo Wandile Duba, Tashreeq Morris angathi akapasi umjita ayisolution iKaizer Chiefs eyifunayo. Omnye ukhoyo Ashley Dupré yena uzoba tactical, uzoba yi-tactical player nomjita. Zikhipani Ashley Dupré yena uzodlala Kaizer Chiefs xa ifuna uspanisa ispeed. Kaizer Chiefs zaba khona igames edlala Africa CAF Confederation Cup and then Kaizer Chiefs funeke ikwazi uspanisa ispeed ki-counter. Ashley Dupré uzoba yi-tactical player ngelo hlobo. Otherwise Kaizer Chiefs try target striker bafethu. Khona striker esise-Hungary sase-Slovakia kuthiwa Robert Polivka. At the same time Kaizer Chiefs izafuna i-players phaa kula number 10 position. Number 10 position obviously Kaizer Chiefs ijonge players but options ezikhoyo ngoku uGaston Serino plus noMduduzi Shabalala. Kaizer Chiefs idinga at least 2 more. Ijonge uJean-Claude Ahoua weSimba SC, ijonge neplayer young African kuthiwa nguMax Ngenzeli. So bafethu transfer plan iclear Kaizer Chiefs bazithole ilawe fullbacks, bazithole i-central defenders kwa last season. Central midfield bawuphinde kuseba edishe phana. Attacking midfield bazophinda edishe ki-wing play funeka ba-edishe naki-striker funeka ba-edishe. The next 3 to 4 weeks izaba crucial for the Kaizer Chiefs bafethu bazithole players. I-team kaNapi iyahlangana. Xa singalebona support channel bafethu shaye ulike apha ezantsi okanye shaye subscribe if iqala udibana le channel. Mojo.